Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will skip on the talent management types. Talent management includes within its fold those individuals who can make a difference to the organization's goal, either through their immediate contribution or in the long run. Talent is a composite state made up of the various elements. An individual is said to be talented when he possesses or acquires the following elements: skills, knowledge, intelligence, and experience. Ability to learn and grow, judgment, attitude, and character, perseverance, and the self-motivation. Talent is a set of unique ability possessed by the individual. There are two types of the talent found in the organization. They are unidimensional and multidimensional. Both types of the talent have the same objective, however, with different perspectives. Talent means unidimensional talent and the multidimensional talent. In an organization, we observe that some employees are based in a particular skill and ability. For instance, some employees be based in the administration, some of them based in the sales, while some employee may be based in their respective function. When individual possesses a singular talent in any particular field, it is called unidimensional talent. On the other hand, in an organization, we also observe that employees are adept a multi-skills and ability. For example, one employee is based in the administrative sales, accounting, and production at a stage. Such an employee is said to possess multidimensional talent. Multidimensional talent is a must sought after the organization. Every organization seeks to retain employees with the multidimensional talent as they prove highly beneficial in bridging the gap between the organizational objective and the gaps. Skills and knowledge defined in the talent management. Skill and knowledge are the ability of the individual. Knowledge is information based and skill is ability to perform a particular task in the required time frame. Knowledge, it is the theoretical and practical understanding of any subject. It provides the foundation to gain skills of any subject or action. For example, an employee having good knowledge of English language and grammar may not be able to speak in good English because communicating in English is a distinct skill. One can develop skills through the experience, training, and continuous effort. For example, an employee can develop communication skill by continuously practicing and communicating with the colleagues or the subordinates. Talent management gap. The talent gap. In this chapter, we will discuss what is the talent gap and how the HR team apply the methods of the talent management to fill this talent gap. Talent gap simply refers to a lack of the skilled personnel in an organization. Every organization occasionally faces tough issue on the talent gap. The HR department makes an all-out effort to fill this gap through the various methods, most of which are discussed in the subsequent chapter of the tutorial. Persistent talent gap is likely to hamper the growth and the development of the organization. It also has a negative impact on the employees' motivation as they feel motivated due to a lack of the talented people do look up for the necessary instruction and advice to work effectively. When an organization is fraught with the talent gap, it performs rather poorly in every aspect. This is when HR manager step in to fill the gap by recruiting talented people to work in the organization. How to fill the talent gap? To fill the talent gap in an organization, the HR department needs to follow certain basic steps. It helps in working out solutions to deal with the talent gap. Following are the steps to address talent gap. Know the knowledge, skill, and ability required for the position or the vacancy. Identify the area where the proficiency needed. Look for the person with the required KSA within the industry or the market. Select the right or deserving candidates with the required proficiency. Identify the skill gap of the candidate to the position. Devise plan to mitigate the skill gap. Provide training and refreshment to the newly hired employee. Roll out professional development plans to help employees succeed in their role. Periodical assessment of the individual performance and identify the areas where extra training or specialized attention is required. A continuous alignment between the organizational needs and employee performance is essential in meeting the goals of an organization. It is found that the talent gap has a moderate to high negative impact on business. It is also reduces competitiveness and productivity. It hampers the turnout rate and reduces the employee's morale in an organization. The HRD needs to take strategic steps to reduce talent gap to a negligible level so as not to hamper the productivity of the workforce. Strategy to reduce the talent gap. Following are some of the strategies that can help reduce the talent gap in an organization. Develop a culture of the talent development. Culture is the environment for people at work. Every organization has its own culture. Culture in an organization includes the norms and behavior that outline its shared values. Managers need to build and maintain effective culture for the larger interest of the organization. Organizational culture should be so nurtured that it will facilitate to retain, sustain, and grow talent. Act as a role model. Be transparent about your own needs to learn, develop, and share. Embrace openness. Leadership are never more powerful than when they are sound to be learning. Reinforce to the value of the learning. Go beyond the primarily conversation about the goals. Ask employees what they want to accomplish and what they feel their gaps are. When someone completes an assignment, celebrate both the outcomes and the learning, especially if the assignment was not completed smoothly. Reinforce their goals. This is the talent development. Act as a role model. Reinforce the value of the learning. Build sustainable process. Strengthen shared value. Leverage problem as an opportunity. Build sustainable process. Managers should coach and develop their people. Every employee knows that their area they need to be improved, and for those with the particularly high potential, career tracks should be developed that give them a sense of the sustainable relation with the organization. Strengthen the shared value. Every employee should be able to connect their daily work, productivity, and responsibility to the values of the organization. They need to be understand the job and the reason for completing the job successfully. Leverage problem as opportunity. Problems in the workplace should be seen by the employee as opportunity to develop their skills and hone their talent for the future performance. Learning the causes and stresses inherent in the problem can be helpful for both the organization and the employee. The talent management benefits. Talent management refers to the skills of the attracting and nurturing highly skilled employees, integrating new employees, and developing and retaining current employees to meet the current and future business objective. It is also known as the human capital management. Human capital management involves the following important process: sourcing, attracting, recruiting qualified and skilled people, managing and defining competitive salary, training and development opportunity, performance management process, retention program such as promotion and transitioning. The benefits of the talent management. Talent management is integral to the modern business and is one of the crucial management functions in an organization. Here we have listed down the major benefits that talent management has to offer. It helps the organization fulfill its vision with the help of the efficient and promising talented people. Talent management also assists the organization to build a talent pool comprising a list of the talented people to meet the future exigency. It makes the organization more competitive and progressive. It paves the way of the future leadership. It helps automate the core processes and helps capture data for making better decisions. Automates repetitive tasks like creating salary, thereby releasing time and resources for making strategy and more critical decisions. Benefits for organization. The following points explain how talent management can be beneficial for organization. Enhance individual and group productivity and capacity to compete effectively in a complex and dynamic environment to achieve sustainable growth. Assist in hiring quality workforce. Establishes better match between jobs and skill. Helps retain talent, thereby reducing the cost of hiring new recruits, helps in understanding the employees better, keeps employee engaged constructively, effective use of available man hours, helps develop leaders for tomorrow within the organization, helps in evaluating employees' readiness to take up new roles. Benefits for employee. The following points explain how talent management can be beneficial for the employee. Promotes long-term association with the organization, persistent and higher productivity of the employee, keeps the employee motivated, which helps in the career development, helps the employee get job satisfaction from their work. Thus, talent management can be beneficial for the organization as well as individual employee. Next is the talent management process. Talent management is an intricate as well as crucial process and is therefore very difficult to handle. Every organization needs to address the talent gap that affects the growth prospectus. It is the responsibility of the HR manager to identify the talent gap and forecast the pitfalls based on the changes taking place in the organization. They need to focus their plans and initiatives to help improve the ability of the needed talent pool. While devising a plan for the talent management, they have to keep in mind certain factors due to which employees change their job abruptly and frequently. Some such factors: liberalization, privatization, globalization, restructuring the job market, unforeseen rapid changes in the world economy, strong and incessant economic growth, most competitive job market, rapid progress in the science and technology, diversifying the skill requirements of the employee, rise in the outsourcing and offshoring, abrupt economic slowdown and recession. Cascading effect on the above on employment potential, resulting in the wage cuts, layoff, pink and slip, etc. Talent management process stage. The various stages of the talent management are as follows. Identifying the goals. This is the cardinal stage and the pivotal to the success of the entire talent management process. The first step is to identify what the organization aims to achieve and what characteristic, qualification and skills recruits should possess to realize the goal. Attracting the talent. The main of the talent management process is to hire the best talent for an organization. Organization at this stage make effort to attract the best talented people from the job market. Sourcing the talent. In this stage, the talent management personnel looks for appropriate sources in the job market or industry where the targeted people can be hired or recruited. Recruitment. This is the first stage of the hiring the best talented people for the organization. Skilled and unqualified people are invited to join the organization. These are the steps of the case of the talent management. Identifying the goal, attracting the talent, sourcing the talent, recruitment of the talent, selection of the talent, training and development, retention of the talent, assessment, performance appraisal, promotion, career planning, succession planning, exit stage. And this is the selection. This is the stage where the objective of the talent management becomes a reality. It is when truly talented people are recruited or hired in the various roles. Training and development. At this stage, the selected recruits are provided with the necessary training to make them productive and efficient to work towards the goal of the organization. Retention. The notable objective of the talent management is not only hiring the talent, but also ensuring their retention in the organization. Factors upon which the retention rate depends on the are attractive pay package, job satisfaction, safety and the security of the employee, personal development of an employee, recognition and culture of organization, and the fit between the job and the talent. Assessment. Periodical assessment of the employee skill, ability and improvement and competency enable the organization to know if they are fit for the continuation and promotion. Performance appraisal. It is a measurement of the actual performance of the employee in the job. It enables the organization to ascertain if the person can be loaded with extra responsibility. Promotion. It refers to the job enrichment. It keeps the energy level high of the employee and they are inspired to continue to work for the organization. Career planning. If an employee is found befitting to handle work pressure and extra responsibility well, and the management needs to plan his or her career so that he or she feels elevated and rewarded, such recognition and rewards inspire the employee to remain with the organization for a long time. Succession planning. This deals with the replacement of the people within the organization, employees who have given their best to the organization and have been serving for long years to hold higher positions. Exit stage. This is the final stage of the talent management process, that in the retirement of the employee and they are no more a part of the organization. These are the talent management process.